right, folks. Eve, eco-vertical evolution, combining soilless growing with traditional farming for a growing experience like no other. This is my kale. I'm watering it from the top. There's less bending, less weeding. And when the water comes out, you can save it for the next watering, because that water coming out is more nutrient rich than when initially added, even though I am using my pool water, which has a bunch of fish, so that's the aquaponic aspect of it. And I'm losing no irrigation. You could set these towers up if you ever go commercial with it, like a Dutch bucket system, and grow all the towers vertical, losing no precious irrigation. Think about that, California, Arizona, India, Africa. All this water, this is saved. We're taking full control over all aspects of our growing needs, from the soil to the irrigation, add the mobile aspect, and we are rolling.